my goodness. Wow.
Okay, you better close it because I think there's more over there. You better get to them before someone else does.
Okay.
Are you ready for your milk?
Okay, y'all get past it. Nope. I'm trying the table. It's closed.
Oh, wait.
It has plenty of candy. Ooh, it's silver pickle.
Look over here. You haven't looked over there yet.
Yay! I like yellow because the yellow's of the yellow sun. Okay.
Yellows of the yellow sun. Hey, why don't you come over here and look through this mess too? Come back. Wait, you missed something. I think I saw an egg.
Right there?
No, not there. Keep going. Go over here. Over there. Over there. Now turn. Turn that. No, you passed it.
Mama! I got eggs!
Hey, how did the eggs get there? Tell us the story about how the eggs got there. No stories? Ari. Ari.